Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm down in the Old Town, and what used to be Ole Yole Monterey restaurant is now going to be a Nepalese restaurant. Just says opening soon. Still got the old menus up, so preparing. No opening date as yet. As I said, it still does have all the old stuff up. Looks like it's been gutted. So yeah, being gutted out by the looks of it. That is going in next to La Carna restaurant. Just here. Just on the corner here. And then we've got the Indian garden there. And we've got Simon's house. And burgers, so on. So I'm not sure what's going to go in there. I'll let you know, guys, once something's gone in. So please click the like, click share, click subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.